Hi, and welcome to all viewers of the Amr Digital Marketer YouTube channel. Sorry, last week our tutor's health was not well, that's we missed the regular video session. Today's topic is our SEO on optimization factors and how to do it. Let's discuss factors of SEO on-page optimization. Meta titles, titles 60 to 65 characters limits. Meta description, 160-170 characters limits. Heading tags, H1 to H6 tags should use in a web page, H1, H2, and H3 tags should use as for focused keywords. IMG alt tags. Anchor tag. Web page content at least 300 words above. Quality content. Website speed. No broken links. Here Google search results in snippets show meta title is nothing but the title of a web page. Meta description of the web page. And how to focus, you use the focused and more volume and fewer competition keywords for a web page. Then easily you will get optimization of a website. Our next video session on whether SEO is important for off-page or on-page optimization. Thank you, viewers, and please share and subscribe to the YouTube channel.